Yes, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Sir, yesterday we started discussion about model. A model class is nothing but which is representing one table in the database. Suppose in the backend database, I have to create the tables. Each table is representing in our Django terminology that is one class. Class contains different fields and their behaviors we have to mention. This class can be created one table into the database. But actually it is a normal our Python class. We have to declare one class, employee class. Instead, I have to declare the variables employee number, employee name, employee salary, employee address are there. I have to decide the data types also. Employee number is integer type, name is the character, second one is the float, next one character type. Sir, but this is the Python class. The problem with this database is database understandable language, only one language, that is SQL, structured query language. Other language it not able to understand. So first of all, you have to convert this class into the corresponding SQL query. Who is responsible to this one? Django is the responsible. Convert this class to the SQL query by using one command. What is the command? Make migrations. By using this make migrations, my class can be converted to SQL query. So what is the SQL query? It is generated. If you want to see, you can use SQL migrate command, then it display your SQL query also. After that, I want to inject this query to the database, then automatically table will be created there. For that, the command is migrate. So what is the difference between make migrations and migrate? Means make migrations can be converted one class to the SQL query. This SQL query can be injected to the database by using the migrate command. One more is, what is the advantage of by using this migrate command? Instead of migrate, if we can execute it manually also, table will be created. If we created manually, okay, the application related specific table created, but there are some Django related tables are there, like admin table, authentication table, session management table, content type, system related tables are not created. That is the reason we need to go with which command? Migrate command. So up to here, yesterday we discussed, once a table created, sir, the class name is employee. What is the table name? Application name with class name. My application is test app, class is employee. So test app underscore employee is the table name. I want to see this table into the admin interface. Then you have to register this table into where? Admin.py file. Then only we can see this table to the admin interface. Up to here we discussed into our last class. Now yesterday I'm given Example for you. This is the steps. Read the data from the database. I will tell inserting data. Wait. Sir, I want to read the data from the database and display to the end user. Here there are some steps are common steps, that is creation of the project, application, add application settings, database configurations. Up to here, you know these 12. Only that new thing is this one also, you know how to create template folders, insert STF folder, insert HTML file, these things. Only thing is how to write view function to communicate to the database and read the data display to the end user. For this, COVID. So now I have to go to the first I'm creating project. Go to the D drive, current working directory 10th February 11 a.m. Django -admin start project. Yesterday, model project I created, model project 2. Okay, done. CD model project 2 inside py manage.py start app test app. These three things you know. Next, add this application in settings.py file. And first step, project, app, this one. Database means I'm not doing any configurations present. In the next project, I have to do MySQL and Oracle. Present also I can go with SQLite 3 only. So no need to test the connections. Open Atom. Close the previous project. What is the project, sir? Model project 2. Expand this. Expand project. Go to settings. Inside settings, you have to add installed apps. Your app name is test app. Done, completed. So I'm not doing any configurations. That's why these two are not required. Next project, I can make it as a MySQL configuration. Present, I'm using built-in database SQLite 3 only. So what is the next sixth one? Create a model. Where you have to create models.py. Sir, after create your model, come here. Class is the keyword. Any class name you can give employee. Sir, inside, so many people are doing here. You don't type anything, okay, na? Because once you are typing model you are taking. Is it correct? Wrong. Because this one is the module. This is the module, okay. Inside model is the class name. Class name first letter should be compulsory capital. అందుకని అసలు don't type anything. Observe carefully. Type 1 or 2 letters. Is it displaying or not? Just you have to select, because sometimes maybe spelling mistakes will come. Capital ki small letters, smalls ki capitals will come. Models dot mo. What is the model? Class. If you give in small letter, it does not recognize this. It is not a class. So that's why you have to select this one model. Sir, once a class you have to declare, where you can give, you have to follow some indentation or not? Compulsory. In the class, you have to follow indentation. This total thing is belonging to your class. If I'm writing anything here, then outside of the class. So indentations also you need to follow. Okay. First one, employee number. Here also, so many people are. What is the module name? Models dot. Idigondi. Integer field is a one class. Check this carefully. Class I capital, F capital. Yesterday, some people are typing all, by mistake, they're typing all small letters, not recognizes. Sir, class with parenthesis means object creation. I'm creating object. Integer field is one built-in class available in models module. For that, I'm creating object. Sir, second one, e name. Models dot ఇదిగోండి ఇక్కడ కూడా క్యారెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్ సి క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ క్యాపిటల్ సార్ ఇఫ్ యూ నో యూ కెన్ టైప్ నో ప్రాబ్లం ఇదిగోండి క్యారెక్టర్ ఫీల్డ్ యూ కెన్ టైప్ క్యాపిటల్స్ గివ్ parentheses no problem okay character field once I'm given character field compulsory I have to give an argument maximum length that is 30 is not fixed and I am given 30 that is your wish you can give 20 or you can give 10 that is your wish okay 20 next e salary equal to models dot salary means generally floating points are available there e address equal to models dot again character field inside max length 30 this is the class take this one first project next application add application settings models విరాట్ కోహ్లీ కొడుకు పుట్టాడంట వెరీ గుడ్ how to delete table if you take 0 maximum length at the time of insertion data it is not accepted it will give error create another user if you forget the username password what is difference models dot model and what is the difference between models dot model models is a module model is a class name so next what to do next step view just a created class only how to convert this class to the SQL query how to execute this you have to do make migrations and migrate Sir, so now to do the make migrations command py manage.py py manage.py. What is the command? Make migrations. Now check this, sir. Here, once you are getting yes, created model. What is the model name? Employee model created. Now the command is migrate. Now all the tables will be created: admin, authentication, content type, session, test app related. This is the two commands. Py manage.py make migrations. Py manage.py migrate. Then table created, sir, internally. Next step, register this model into admin.py. Then only we can see the table in admin interface. Register this table into admin.py. Then we can see the table in admin interface. Next step, you want to yesterday I'm given the same steps you are following. It's going to make migrations done. After that, we have to register the model into admin.py. Register the model class, and one more is I created today, one new class, model admin class. What is use of this? admin.py. From model import employee. Induku? No. So you have to register this model into admin, sir. Sir, one more thing is there. Model class is employee. What is this model admin class? What is the use of this one means? Sir, now admin ఏది ఇదిగోండి. Sir, register your model here. Yesterday, just I am telling, import the what we are importing, that model class admin.register. I am creating one more class here. Observe carefully. Class is the keyword. The name, any name you can give. I am given as a employee admin class. It is not fixed name, sir. Any name you can give. Inside parent class matram compulsory admin. Admin is the model name. Inside there is one more is there. Model admin is the class. Check it. What is the model admin? Class. So this is the parent. This is the child. Inside there is one fixed variable is there. What is the variable name? List underscore display is a one predefined v meant for variable. List underscore display equal to, I have to give square brackets. In your employee class, how many columns are there? Number, name, salary, address. You want to display the table. How many columns you want to display? So I want to display number, name only. So you have to give here employee number, comma, employee name. No, sir, I want to display all four. Employee salary, comma, employee address. So list underscore displays the predefined variable. Here, whatever columns you want to display, all columns you can provide here. Then only displayed in the form of the table. Now this is one class. I have one more class. How many classes are there? Two are there. One is employee, second one is employee admin. These two, you have to, I'm telling that is only model class, model admin class, you have to register. So come to here. So many guys are there, continue the program. No, come outside the class. Where is outside? This one. So within the class, only one line of statement is there. My class definition completed. Whatever code I'm telling, write outside. Don't write inside class. So admin dot, what is the function? Site dot register. What is the class name? First class employee, second class employee admin. But employee is not available here. Where it is available? Models. So what is the required from test app dot models import employee. Sir, if we are not providing this one also, there is no wrong, but table not displayed in the, yesterday it is displaying employee object 1, 2, 3 like that only, not employee details. That's why I'm given this class. Once entering data, you will get clarity. This is the admin.py file. First of all, see here, I will use that. Create one super user. How to create super user? Py. What is the command? Super user. Blank Mahesh abc@gmail.com. Password Sunny123. Password 123. Do you want to create? Yes. Sir, super user created successfully. Start the server. Run server. Server is ready. Copy the address. What is the URL pattern? Admin. Log into admin. I don't have any URLs. Only one URL is there. Admin is there. Login. Employees. Any employees are there? No. Enter manually employees. 101. Sunny. Salary. Address. Saved. Number name displayed, not displayed. Add one more. 102. Employee name. Katrina. Salary. Address. One more employee. 103. Employee name. Employee salary. Employee address. One more employee. 104. Employee salary. Employee address. 4 employees will be displayed the details. Employees added. Sir, what is that list underscore display? Now observe carefully. Come to your admin. In list underscore display, I am deleting 2 columns. Save. Come to here. Refresh. How many columns are displayed? Ante in the list underscore display, how many columns you were given, those only will be displayed. As you remove that, total will be gone. As I removed, I don't want this class, this nonsense. Remove. This is also valid only. But come here, how it is displaying? It is displaying employee object 1, 2, 3, 4. Internal content, not able to see. That's why list underscore displays the predefined variable, which will be displayed your table columns to the end user. So that is the reason I have to take in this admin class name anything, but internal, this is the fixed name. And I have to display all columns number. So do you know ID is generated? If I want to display ID also possible. Now come here, refresh. IDs 1, 2, 3, 4 IDs, numbers, name, salary, address. That is the use of list underscore display variable. Which columns you want to display, it will be decided. So in admin panel, take this one. Take care about line number 43. This line number 43, 90% people, they will write inside the class. Then it is not execute, write outside the class. Please explain number 43. So I have two classes are there, na employee class, employee admin class. You have to register to admin panel. Then only once I need to log in as a admin. Okay. We have to see the table here. I want to insert data, delete data. If I want to display, then you have to register to admin panel. If you are not registered, we are not able to see the table. For example, whatever they are having, I removed this total thing. I removed, save this. Now, go to admin panel. As any table is there, no chance. So once you register to admin panel, then will table. So here only users. Okay, user is there, Mahesh user, groups, nothing. Next level, I will tell how to create users, all these, no tables. Once you register in the admin panel, then only you are in a position to see the table. Refresh. When employee table came, open this, content is available. That's why you have to register to admin panel. Once register, you have to create a super user. How to create py, manage.py, create super user. Then log in and add the data manually. Later on, I will tell how to write the programming. First I inserted 4 records. Now the concept is I want to read the total data display to the HTML file. That's only maximum. Whatever steps I'm given, 12 steps, up to here completed. I'm logging to the admin. I'm checking the table. I inserted data also. Next step is you have to create a template. So in the template means who is responsible? View is the responsible to communicate with the database and to get the data. Once reading data, if you know how to send by using template tag, we know Jinja to text double curling braces. So create one function. Create a function now in views.py. It is responsible to read the data from the database. And now view is responsible to send this data to the template also. Views.py. Completed. Sir, go to the views, sir. Views here. Now in this, take a function. How to declare function? Def is the keyword. Function name, any name. Employee data view. Inside the first argument is request. Now, only the thing is emp data view. How to read the data from the application means, sir, what is your model class name? Employee is your class name. Dot. There is a method is there. Objects dot. A function is there. All. It is reading all the data from your model class. Model class name, whatever class name you are created class name, object is the predefined attribute, all is the function. So it is reading total data and display to the EMP list. This variable, anything I can give. So all the data will be displayed in the form of list. This list you can make it as a one dictionary. So how to create dictionary? My dict equal to curling brace key, any key, emp underscore list. What is the data? Emp list. So this line is reading all the data from the table stored into variable. I converted dict. This dictionary sent to your template file. What is the function? Return kada, sorry. Return, render, inside first argument, request, next test app slash one file. But test app is not there. emp.html not there. I will create it. What I want to provide it? My dict. Sir, in entire this program, once I am written, go to the server console. Okay, yeah. Something will be there here. Okay, I'm not calling that now, that's why. Employee class is available here. No. Where it is available? Models. But I'm using here. What to do? Same from test app, models, import, class name. Done. See this code. If any doubt is there, I will explain here. Here simple one function I created, reading data by using single line, converted to dictionary, send to HTML file. Line number 52. Model name, this is our model name. Objects dot all is the function which will taking data from the database stored into some variable. That is the line number 52. All is the function. Upcoming classes I will tell, suppose I don't want all records, only some records I can require. Then I can use the filter function. All meant for within the database, how many records are there? All records it is reading. Okay, today itself I will explain. If I don't want all, I want only the names whose name started with the S letter. I can use filter function. Present this example, I am taking all is the predefined function which is reading data from the database. All objects it is reading. That is the meaning of all. Object is a one predefined attribute available to the model class. What is this object? What is this return type? Generally, this return type is one model manager. Line number 58. 58 even nothing empty. In ORM concept is there in that. This is our model name. What is objects? This return type is query set. In that query set, I am using all function. It is reading the total data. 53. Dictionary 53. And what it is? Dictionary. Because your total data I'm given key. Because this dictionary I'm sending to file. Which file? emp.html file. So now emp.html I have to create. So first of all, template means completed. HTML means templates, inside test app, inside HTML file, static folder. If any images, CSS, story, same. Sir, now observe carefully. Sir, here this is the main project. So many people under main project templates, Inside template, they have to created CSS files, static files. So main project, first to create two folders. Okay, na? Main project, new folder. Sir, first folder is templates. Immediately in the main project only, right click, go to new folder. What is the folder? Static. So then there is no confusion. Okay, now see the architecture carefully. This is the main project. Inside project, static, templates, test app. After that, you can go to internally one by one. Within the templates, again, one folder, test app. Inside file, HTML file. Inside static, two folders. One is for images purpose. Second one for CSS, two folders. So like that, you can create first folders. So right click on templates, folder. What is the folder name? Test app. Check this. Templates. Test app is there? Yes. Static low. Right click. Folder. Present no images. So what I was doing? CSS. Now see this one. So folders are ready. Static low. CSS is ready. Templates low. Test app is ready. Now two files are required. One is HTML file. Second one is CSS file. Right click on test app. New file. Any name, but I'm given emp there. emp.html. Okay, done. Ikkada CSS. Right click. File. That is your wish. Any file. emp1.css. Now, this is the architecture, sir. Check this carefully. If it is available, then everything is fine. Static folder, CSS, EMP. This is one part. Templates, test app, EMP. This is the second one. But these two created manually. I'm creating. Django don't know about these things. You have to create two variables, template dir and static dir. Go to settings. How to create template dir? This one. Template underscore dir equal to base dir slash templates. Next, static underscore dir equal to base dir slash static. Done. This variable you have to mention into dirs. This one you have to create your a list. Here so many guys are telling spelling mistakes. Static files underscore dirs. Internally you have to give static dir. Some people are missing this yes. Some intelligent people are missing this yes. Two yes are mandatory. Static files, dirs. Up to here clear? Now, bring next emp. emp.html. Go to the HTML code. The first line, what it is? Percentage, load static. Now done. I want to link that CSS present. There is no data. Wait. Here I want to display body h1 tag employee list. Sir, now employee list means inside employee there are so many records are again there. Okay, wait. Sir, see this one. It is a one list. I can convert it to dictionary, but I'm sending the CMP list to there. If you know, if this one data is available, not available, we don't know. For example, if I come here, delete all, then data will be gone. No data. How to check whether in this one data is available, not available means I have to write curling braces, percentage. What is the meaning of this one? If emp underscore list. What is the meaning? If emp list contain any data, then next block will be executed there. If emp does not contain any data, simply it will display else part. That is the meaning of EMP list. Sir, if it is available, create one table. What is the tag? Table tag. Inside table head, first table heading, that is employee number. One more is required. So now employee name, employee salary, employee address will be created there. If employee contains data, this edit will be created there. I want to display the data means TR, TD tags are there. But employee contains so many records. In Python, a list is there. How to read the data from the list? For loop. For each employee in EMP underscore list. Just I want to print EMP. In this code, any explanation is required? No. That is one list. Every employee object I am reading, printing that. That is the for loop in the Python. Same loop here also we have to write into curling braces. Nothing else here. Come to the after table head, curling brace, percentage. For EMP in, where is your data? EMP list. Ante EMP list is a one list data type. Inside first record I am taking, I want to display first row, table row. How to display? Table data. Curling brace. What is the reference? EMP. What is the variable? E number. 2, 3, 4. Second value, employee name. Third value, employee salary. Fourth one, employee address. Sir, now, if EMP is available, come to inside, table heading created. For each and every employee in the employee list, number, name, salary, address will be displayed. And come to this, compulsory how to close the for loop. Now to close, curling brace, sorry. End for loop. Once end for loop is completed table, for example, sir, asli EMP does not contain data. I am deleting all the data. Select, delete. Gone. Any employees are there? Nothing employees. First if condition failed. Then is it execute this total block, sir? No chance. Because first if condition failed, just like if and else. If employee list contain data, then only table display that employee table no data 0. So what we have to write? Else block you have to write. After this table, make it as a curling brace, percentage, else block. What we have to write? Give the paragraph tag. Babu, there is no records found. Now, once it is done, compulsory have to close which one? End if. So this is the Jinja 2 template means just like Python syntaxes only. If you remove this one, just Python code. If EMP list is there, create table, number, everything. For each employee from the EMP list, you have to display number, name, this, end for loop. If block is not there, then which will executed? No records found. Simple here. Create one URL for this. Anything you can use. URLs. The project URLs. Create one URL. The URL is EMP. Our views dot. What is the view? EMP data view. What is the import statement? From test app import views. Now see the server first of all. Server is fine. Copy this address. Don't go for admin panel. Admin panel only insertion, that purpose only. You have to ask your what is the URL? EMP. Employee list. No records found. Because there is no records. That's why else block is executed there. That is the meaning of this if and else statements. Because there is no records. Finally, what block executed? Else block. Execute, insert some records, come to admin panel, add employee, 101, Sunny, Mumbai. Save this, come to here, refresh. నెంబర్ నేమ్ టేబుల్ రాలేదు కాబట్టి బార్డర్ ఏదో మిస్ అయి ఉంటుంది టేబుల్ come here refresh came if we delete it will be gone. So like that you have to add employees 102 second one. Now come to this refresh. So total data is available there. Inga colors gillers all these that is your wish. Based on colors CSS. Instead I have to give body. I have to provide that background color red. I can provide that any h1 tag is there. For that h1 text alignment I can provide that center table. If I go with margin auto bus, link this one to here, where here also so many guys are taking mistakes. How to link this file? Going after title, go with link. Sorry, link. Ikkada take care about path, curling brace, close the curling brace. Inside first take percentage. What is the folder? Static. Inside what is the folder? CSS. What is the file name? emp1 dot CSS. It is cinema. Now come here, refresh. Came. That is the story. If no records are there, if this admin select all, delete, come here, refresh. No records found. This is the way, sir. So emp.html, emp, load static, all these not required, just body. Employee list, table, display, no. This one, this is the code. Take this one. Hmm. Once display link in CSS, this is HTML code only, sir. Yes, this is HTML. You don't need to increase table size automatically. Once inserted data based on inserting values, table will be increasing. In EMP HTML, we have to give the link. That CSS file link we have to provide it here. In the after title, you can add the link here. After title, by using link tag, you can add. Well, last guys, are you getting it? Anything? Enjoying? This said last full enjoy. Only you came to the Hyderabad for enjoyment purpose, na? Enjoy, enjoy. Everyone Python completed. Still classes are going on Python. Going on. Maybe today is the last class. Yes. In your Python class also, you are doing same like Godava or very silent? Very silent. Only in this class only. Completed this HTML code. Next, CSS is required. This is the CSS tag link. Link, rel, style sheet, href, curling brace, percentage, static, single quote, CSS, emp1 dot, CSS. Line number 59. Completed HTML code. No, na. No. CSS file. So that CSS, that is your vision. Whatever you want, you can do it your own styles. Finally, you have to mention one URLs. Path, emp, comma, views dot, emp, data underscore view. This is the final thing. Scroll down. 72, 73. 72, 73. What did it? Just I'm displaying name and salary. Sir, in this MVT architecture, we for present I'm taking function based views. Next we can go with class based view. We have to write total business logic. We have to write the Python code. Template, it is nothing but presentation logic. We have to write HTML. Now we introduced about our model related to database. In this program, present program, first one, end user sending the a request. End user sending one request. What is the request URL? That is this one. This is the request provided by end user. Who is get this request? View function. First, it is looking this URL. Yes, available there. Is going to URL is available. Automatically, it will goes to the views. What is the view function? EMP data underscore view function is there. So, second one, view function will get the request. After that, what will happen, sir? View is asking to the model to connect with database and provide the required data. What is the command for that? This is the command. This one. It is asking connected to this model, take the objects, all objects and stored into variable that is EMP list. Next. Model will communicate with the database and provide required data to the view function. What is that variable? EMP underscore list. In that total data is available there. Now what it is doing? View is responsible to send this data by creating the dictionary. My view will send the data to template file. How? By creating the dictionary and return render to the file. The template file will prepare HTTP response with required data and provide to view function. View function returns that HTTP response to the end user. That is the process going on there. ఏమైంది అక్కడ? ఎవరో బై మిస్టేక్ అవుట్ సైడ్ పీపుల్ కేమ్ టు ఇన్సైడ్ క్లాస్. ఏమైంది? స్క్రోల్ డౌన్. మళ్ళీ స్క్రోల్ డౌన్. Completed. Cannot import name views from test app.models. In the test app.models, there is no views now. You can use statement from test app, import views. And completed. So now models related, templates related questions are first one. How to configure database inside settings.py file. How to configure? If we don't want to use any Oracle MySQL, configurations are not required. If you want to do Oracle or MySQL, then you have to provide database engine name, username, password. After that, host, port number, those we have to provided. After that, how to check the connections How to check the connection? Import connection, create cursor object. If you are not getting any error, for that you can go to Python shell, py shell. From model name, import the connection.cursor. If you are not getting any error, your database is perfect. How to define model class inside models.py. How to perform make migrations. How to perform the migrate. What is the difference between make, migrations, and migrate? What is the advantage of creating a table by using migrate command instead of creating manually in the database? How to add model to admin interface inside admin.py file? To display the total data, how to write model admin class inside admin.py? Migrate spelling wrong. Migrate. డిస్ప్లే ఎక్కడ ఉంది? డిస్ప్లే మళ్ళీ ఇంకెక్కడ ఉంది? స్పెల్లింగ్ రాంగ్. యూజింగ్ సెవెంత్ లైన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ క్రియేటింగ్ టేబుల్ బై బాబు బై రాంగ్? ఎక్కడ? settings.py, models.py, admin.py కరెక్టే కదా? హౌ టు క్రియేట్ సూపర్ యూజర్? హౌ టు లాగ్ ఇన్ టు admin interface and add data to our table? How to see generated SQL code as a result? Sir, your maximum every question you know answers. Write answers also. You can write answers. Sir, your explanation is not required because you know all the things already explained these questions. Okay. Please show me views.py. Explain 12th question. You know what is the 12th question? SDM given command na py manage.py SQL migrate. That command only. SQL migrate command. Now we will see. So next concept is how to generate fake data for our application. Fake details I want to enter. Just now I'm given na Sunny, Katrina, Karina, like that some dummy details. I want to provide that, how to provide the dummy data. Tomorrow, no, today only. Sir, while opening Django folder, it's showing a recognized internal. You can ask online mentors, okay, na? Share the screen. By seeing that, they can identify it. Faker function. Faker is not a function. Sir, here completed questions. Sir, for this, there is one module is there. What is the module name? Faker module. Install that Faker module. How to install a module? Pip install module name. Automatically it should be installed, sir. Go to the command prompt. Here, stop the server. Present server I don't want. Clear the screen. Pip install Faker. Already information available. Requirement already satisfied. Faker module is available, not available. Pip ask list. It should display all the available module. Ekkado Faker is available A, B, C, D. Idigonde. Available there. Sir, once it is available there, observe carefully. Now, forget about this. Take the Python file. And in Mahesh classes, I have test.py file is there. Inside this, my file is available D drive, Mahesh classes. Okay. Observe, clear the screen. CD, Mahesh classes. When this is the file name, test.py. Sir, what is the module name? Faker. Import. What is this Faker? What is this one? What is this one? First one is module, second one class. How to create object? With parenthesis, object dot created. Give one variable, fake. So class is there, class object I created, given reference variable fake. Suppose I want to ask fake dot function is there. What is the function? Name. Stored into variable. Print the name. So what is the name will be generated? We don't know one name generated. What is that name? Py test.py. What is the name? Edo Johnson anta. Next, Jose. Something value generated or not generated? One name generated there. For example, fake dot. I want to generate first name. I want to give as a F name. Print that. Sir, ante chudandi jaatga. This name is the different. This first name is the different. It is not taken from this name, first name. Both are different names. Now, name, adi second one, first name. If I want to go to the same, go with what I want to provide it, last name. I want to give as a L name. Here take as a L name. Now run this. Name, first name, last name. Sir, I want to generate some date and a fake date. Date one. Print date one. One fake date will be generated and employee joining date, something like that. I want to generate date, some fake date. I want to generate fake dot random number. Random and employee number purpose. I'm given employee number now 101, 102 like this. 5-digit random number I want to generate it. I want to give a variable number. Print that number. One random number generated 5 digits for employee number purpose. I want to generate mail ID, fake mail ID. Email is the function. Take the email. Print the email ID. Now, one fake mail ID will be generated there. After that, I want to generate one fake city. Fake dot city. Stored into variable city. Print that city. One fake city will be generated there. City adi print fake dot random underscore integer. Just like in our Python, rand int function is there, same like that. Minimum 0, maximum 99. One random number will be generated there. What is the number? We don't know. Suppose I want to give some student marks 0 to 99. Any number will be generated there. In Python, there is one function is there, random module, choice function. What is this of choice function? Randomly, one object will be selected from the list and tuple. In the random choice is there. Same here also. Print fake dot random underscore element is the function. Inside you have to give your elements in the first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element. I want to provide that Sunny, Bunny, Winnie. One random element will be selected there. Which one will come? We don't know. What it is selected? Sunny. Next time, Bunny. Like that. So this is the random module. Sorry, faker module is there. How to generate your fake data story. So compulsory first you have to install faker module. Then only we have to write the code. We can insert it. But in this one, it is normal. Okay, fine. Anyone tell how to generate the, don't take this program, just understandable purpose only. Next program important, this one. Anyone tell, I want to generate a phone number. Phone number generation code. Phone number means compulsory. How many digits are required? 10 digits. First number should be compulsory 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. 10 digits mandatory. Write the Python code. Anyone? Python code you have to write to generate phone number. I want 30 phone numbers I can require. Create one function, call that function by using range 30 times. But what is that function? How to write that function? How to generate phone numbers? What it is? You are telling regular expression. Regular expression means what it is happening. Whether the mobile number is valid mobile number or not, then regular expressions. Now I'm asking generate the phone numbers. I'm asking generation, not checking. Validation purpose, your logic is okay. Regular expressions are only for validation purpose. whether that number is valid number or no. No. How to generate the phone number, 10-digit phone number. For example, check this. Wait, last program. Sir, def is the function declaration. Oh, sorry. Test.py. Come to test.py. Def phone number generation. Sir, if you want to generate random number, random module is there from random import star. Sir, first number should be please tell I want to generate one random number 6, 7, or 8 or 9. How to generate rand int of 6, comma 9 can I give? Is it generating random number? One random number generated there. So I am getting the first digit. The first digit should be 6 or 7 or 8 or 9. Now take a variable number equal to empty string plus str of d1. What is the meaning? Rand into return type is, what is the return type of rand into? Integer. For example, it is empty string. If I am not using string, is it valid? No. String plus integer invalid. That is the reason I am converted this one into string. So now what is the number type? String type. One string is available there in my hand. Now for I in range of 9. This loop is running how many times? 9 times will running. I want to provide that number plus equal to means number equal to number plus. I have to generate rand integer of 0, comma 9. But number is the string type. Idemo STA convert to string. Sir, first of all, I am generating one integer, digit 1. I am taking one empty string. I converted string concatenated, number type is string type. This I loop is running 9 times. Number plus equal to first number added to number, second number, third number, 9 times. Previously one number is there, now 9. Totally 10 numbers will be coming. I have to, what is the keyword? Return. It is the string convert into integer number. That is the function. So I want to print. What is the function name? Phone number generation is the function name. Call the function. Check this. Am I getting 10-digit phone number or not? Run this, run this, run this. 30 numbers you can require for I in range of 30. Now, save and run. Check this. All the phone numbers generated with required data. This code next coming class is very important because I want to generate the phone number. This number valid invalid means then I can go to the regular expressions. Phone number generation code is this is the way. Take this one. So tomorrow I will explain how to insert this fake data to the backend database. ఏంటి మీ బాధ ఫస్ట్ ఇంపోర్ట్ ఫేకరా Why packer is not required? Am I using any packer module? My own logic I am written here. No packer module.